In biologics, you cannot fully characterize the final product and release it on that basis alone. The process is the product, which means the people running the process are part of the quality control system, not just participants in it. When a critical process parameter drifts in your bioreactor, or a critical quality attribute is affected by a change in purification conditions, the regulatory consequence depends on whether that change was controlled, documented, and verified before it affected the process. Under GxP and ICH Q10, that verification includes training, not as a formality, as evidence that the people executing the process understood what changed and why. Most platforms treat training as a downstream step. Someone approves a change. Someone else remembers to update training. Someone checks completion before the batch runs. When that chain holds, it works. When it breaks, and in complex bioprocesses it breaks, the gap shows up in investigations, comparability assessments, or regulatory submissions. eLeaP was built to close that chain automatically. When a bioprocess SOP or specification is approved, training deploys immediately to every affected role, whoever the quality unit designates based on functions and qualifications. No manual assignment, no spreadsheet coordination. 21 CFR Part 11 compliant electronic records from the moment of approval. When a quality event occurs, a contamination event, an OOS result, a yield failure, eLeaP QMS manages the full investigation from initial capture through root cause analysis, corrective action, and verified closure. When root cause analysis identifies a knowledge gap, your LMS is already there. Corrective training deploys automatically. CAPA closure requires documented effectiveness verification. So the connection between what went wrong, what changed, and who was trained is documented every time. Change control doesn't close until training is confirmed. Smart assignment routes training based on roles and qualifications before implementation. For changes requiring comparability assessment or regulatory notification, complete traceability from change request through training completion and implementation verification provides the evidence your submissions require. Risk assessments under ICH Q9, supplier qualification for critical raw materials, cdmos, and contract testing laboratories. Every quality decision connects directly to the people who need to know before the process runs. Qualification matrices show who is trained on what, in real time, across every process, every procedure, every product in your pipeline. When a regulatory inspector asks to see the connection between a process change, the comparability data, and the training that preceded implementation, you pull one record from one system in the room. That's what GxP compliance looks like when it's built into the platform rather than managed around it. Start a free 30-day trial or schedule a live demo at quality.eleapsoftware.com/biotechqms.